Hey founders, are you ready to supercharge your startup in 2024? In this video, I'm going to share my thoughts on the top 5 hottest SBIR topics, ranging from AI breakthroughs to game-changing biotech and the latest in renewable energy. And by aligning with these key focus areas, founders can tap into significant SBIR funding, giving their ventures the financial boost they need to accelerate growth and their developments. So make sure to watch until the end of this video so you can learn how to snag a competitive edge, to innovate, secure SBIR funding, and to contribute to transformative solutions that will shape the future. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Stacey Chin from KeepYourEquity.co, and our mission is to help startups secure non-dilutive funding. We specialize in science tech startups by helping them to secure funding from federal programs such as those from the SBIR and the STTR. If you're interested in learning more about these programs, I'll leave a link in the description to another video below. We also consult other private and public businesses as well as NGOs on their non-dilutive fundraising strategies by helping them to navigate the complex federal grants and contracting landscape. All right, now let's jump into my take on the hottest SBIR topics in 2024 in no particular order. The first topic are interventions or solutions that can address the opioid or substance abuse crisis in the US. And this is a hot SBIR topic due to the ongoing and escalating public health crisis surrounding opioid addiction and substance abuse disorders. Because this crisis continues to have a profounding socioeconomic impact, including increased healthcare costs, loss of productivity, and significant mortality rates. So innovative solutions are urgently needed to improve prevention, treatment, and recovery support. Projects under this topic can leverage advanced technologies such as AI for predictive analysis, digital health platforms for personalized care, and novel pharmacological treatments. So for those reasons, the SBIR and STTR programs wants to catalyze the development of effective interventions that can be rapidly translated into clinical and community settings with the goal to mitigate the widespread impact of the opioid epidemic and enhancing public health outcomes. And importantly, this prioritization is aligned with the national health objectives and the strategic interests of across multiple federal agencies who are dedicated to combat this crisis. And some of the federal agencies that are interested in this SBIR topic include the National Institute of Health, or NIH, ARPA-H, and the National Science Foundation. The second hottest SBIR topic of 2024 are healthcare innovations for minority health and to eliminate any healthcare disparities. This is a hot topic in 2024 due to the persistence and significant gaps of health outcomes amongst racial and ethnic groups. And these disparities are driven by complex interplay of socioeconomic factors, access to care, and underlying health conditions, which disproportionately might affect minority populations. So healthcare innovations aimed at addressing these issues are critical for achieving health equity and outcomes. So projects under these SBIR topics may involve developing advanced diagnostic tools, personalized medicine, telehealth solutions, and community-based interventions tailored to a unique needs of a particular minority group. So the SBIR program wants to reduce the instances of preventable diseases, improve chronic health outcomes, and enhance the overall quality of care for underserved communities. And this focus is not only aligned with national health priorities, but also leverages emerging technologies to create scalable and sustainable solutions that can be integrated into mainstream healthcare systems. And if successful, federal funding agencies are hoping that these new innovations can help promote inclusive health advancements to ensure that all populations are benefiting from medical innovation. And some examples of agencies that are interested in this SBIR topic can include the NIH, the NSF, and ARPA-H as well. Hot topic number 3 are artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies. Innovations in AI and ML are popular due to their transformative potential across a wide range of industries and applications. And these technologies can enable an automation of complex tasks or the extraction of actionable insights from vast databases, which can significantly enhance decision-making processes and operational efficiencies. The broad applicability of AI and ML, coupled with rapid advancements in computational power and data availability, makes them pivotal for driving innovation and addressing contemporary challenges. And for those reasons, SBIR programs are interested in these topics to accelerate the development and commercialization of cutting-edge AI and ML tools, which in return can foster economic growth across the US. So some examples of these federal agencies that are interested in this SBIR topic can include the NSF, the NIH, the DOE, DoD, USDA, NASA, and so many more. Hot topic number 4 has to do with advanced manufacturing and materials. The SBIR program wants to fund innovations that can enhance manufacturing processes, improve material properties, or enable sustainable productions. And this may include the development of new materials with unique properties, such as additive manufacturing, robotics, and automation, all of which can offer significant advancements in production efficiency, customization capabilities, and material utilization. Also, developing new materials, including lightweight composites, high-strength alloys, and smart materials, can enhance product performance, durability, and sustainability. And for those reasons, advanced manufacturing and materials is a hot topic across many different federal agencies across the US. And that's because innovations in this space can impact aerospace, automotives, healthcare, and energy. And by funding these innovations, the SBIR program is hoping that this would bolster the United States manufacturing capabilities so that the nation can keep a competitive edge in the global market. Some examples of federal agencies that are interested in this topic include NSF, NIH, DoD, ARPA-E, USDA, DoD, NASA, and many more. And finally, the 5th hottest topic in 2024 is climate tech and energy. This is a huge hot SBIR topic in 2024 due to the urgent need to address climate change and the transition to sustainable energy. The escalating impacts of climate change, such as extreme weather conditions, rising sea levels, and biodiversity loss, are demanding solutions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and to improve our current state. So advanced climate technologies, including carbon capture and storage systems, renewable energy systems, and energy efficiency improvements, are critical for achieving these goals. Therefore, the SBIR program is interested in funding climate tech and energy innovations that might impact the energy storage, grid modernization, and smart energy management systems. And these technologies are urgently needed to better support the integration with renewable energy sources to ensure the reliable, resilient, and efficient energy supply. And so for those reasons, the SBIR program wants to fund innovations in climate tech and energy to reduce carbon footprint, enhance sustainability, and its transition to a low carbon economy to ensure long-term environmental, economic, and social benefits. And some examples of federal agencies that are interested in this SBIR topic include DOE, ARPA-E, NSF, and DoD. And with that, thank you so much for watching until the end of this video. I hope you found these tips helpful to learn some of the hottest SBIR topics within 2024 across AI, biotech, and renewable energy. If you haven't done so, I would greatly appreciate if you can like this video, subscribe to this channel, and comment below. And don't forget to check out our website at keepyourequity.co, where you find lots of other resources, templates, and advice, and classes on how you can secure non-dilutive funding. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in a video very soon.